Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use CLA Compressor on vocals. First, let's dive into the basics of this powerful tool. The CLA Compressor is renowned for its distinct sound, offering three unique models, 3A, 76, and 2A. Each model provides a different flavor of compression, from smooth leveling to aggressive punch. Understanding these differences is key to selecting the right one for your vocal track. We'll explore how to set your input levels correctly to achieve the best results. Now, let's get into setting up the CLA compressor specifically for vocals. Begin by selecting the model that best suits your vocal style, perhaps the 3A for gentle smoothing or the 76 for more aggressive control. Next, fine-tune the attack and release times. Faster attack times can catch transients, while slower releases allow the vocal to breathe. Adjust the threshold and ratio to control how much compression is applied, aiming for natural, controlled sound. Ready to take your vocal compression to the next level? Consider using parallel compression. This technique blends a dry signal with a heavily compressed one, adding density and punch without sacrificing dynamics. You can also explore sidechaining, which allows other elements in your mix to trigger the compressor on your vocals, creating interesting rhythmic effects. Don't be afraid to experiment with the different CLA models and their unique characteristics to discover new and exciting vocal textures. To wrap things up, let's discuss some common pitfalls to avoid. One of the biggest mistakes is overcompressing your vocals, which can strip them of their natural dynamics and make them sound flat. Always ensure proper gain staging throughout your signal chain to maintain a clean sound and prevent unwanted distortion. Remember, the goal is to enhance, not destroy, your vocal performance. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.